Banque Cantonale du Valais Swiss Bankers Travel Card, my honest review and user experience. Traveling with the right card can make a huge difference, and the above Swiss Bankers Travel Card promises convenience and security. Here's my honest experience using it. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's just a standard prepaid card. The surprising truth is it allows secure, multi-currency access, instant top-ups, and worldwide acceptance without exposing your main accounts. Getting started was simple. I ordered the card online, loaded it with Swiss francs, and activated it through the mobile app. The interface shows balances, transaction history, and allows easy currency conversions. The card is accepted globally, with no ATM withdrawal issues in Europe or Asia. I tested it in restaurants, hotels, and shops, and all transactions went smoothly. Security features like instant blocking, notifications, and two-factor authentication are excellent. The app also supports multiple wallets, so you can manage several currencies and avoid high foreign exchange fees. Customer support is responsive, and I found the chat function helpful for top-ups and transaction inquiries. The main drawback is occasional currency conversion fees, but these are lower than traditional credit cards. Additionally, card is prepaid, so planning your load amounts is necessary. In conclusion, the above Swiss Bankers Travel Card is a convenient and secure tool for international travelers. It offers flexibility, multi-currency support, and robust security, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants control over spending abroad.